Sat Nam, beautiful people. Today I'm sharing a practice for confidence and self-esteem. It integrates a breathing technique and a mantra. Let's get into it. Let's tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo, that brings us into presence so we can bring the energy of this meditation and use it in its most potent form. Inhale, bring the palms together. Exhale and close the eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale and exhale. Relax the hands to the knees. Just chanting this meditation changes something for me. Brings me into a deep sense of presence, connection. And that is at the essence of confidence, is you being in your core, in your center, present with the truth of who you are, and not being thrown away back and forth by the external pressures, the external world. In this meditation, we will be mentally reciting a mantra. And it's actually an English mantra. And the mantra is, I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. Really feel the essence of those words. I am bountiful, I am blissful, I am beautiful. And on the exhalation, we will chant, excel, excel, fearless. It's the energy of the warrior, excelling fearlessly. So you're going to bring the hands in Gyan Mudra, so the thumbs and index fingers together. This is called the seal of wisdom. Just by bringing those fingers together, it also brings us into focus and clarity. Relax the hands on the knees with the palms open to the sky. You're going to take a deep breath in through the nose and hold the breath. As you're holding the breath, mentally recite, I'm bountiful, I'm blissful, I'm beautiful. Exhale through the nose. Hold the breath out and mentally recite, excel, excel, fearless. Close the eyes. We'll do 2 more rounds together and then you'll go on your own for 3 more minutes. Inhale deeply through the nose. Hold, mentally repeating, I'm bountiful, I'm blissful, I'm beautiful. Exhale the breath. Hold the breath out. Mentally recite, excel, excel, fearless. Inhale. Hold, I'm bountiful, I'm blissful, I'm beautiful. Exhale and hold. Mentally reciting, excel, excel, fearless. Inhale. Hold and continue on your own. Really feeling and connecting to the power of the mantra and sinking into the depth of the breath and the pause between the inhalation and exhalation. Taking one last round. Exhale, exhale, fearless, coming back to your natural breath. Just take a moment to feel your fearlessness, your beauty, your power. Expand that energy within you and all around you. Bring the palms together, the center of the heart. Close with long Sat Nam, one long Sat Nam. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale to chant. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Thank you for sharing the practice today. The invitation is to try practicing this twice a day. Maybe once in the morning, once in the evening, or any time in your day you feel you're being shaken off your core. Let it bring you back into the truth. Give it a try, maybe for a week or 11 days, twice a day. See what shifts. Repattern your energy. Repattern your thoughts. I'm always here for questions. Sat Nam.